Haven't started her in about 4 days. Give me a second to turn the light on. Oh, and then I come up. Look at how rusty these are for just sitting for 4 days. That's why you don't buy cheap aftermarket parts. All right, start her up. No gas, no fuel, I should say. Let's see here. A little bit louder than she should be, eh? It sat for so long. Alright, go get some fuel in this poor thing before we suck everything else up. Thank you. So pardon my voice. I went to Walmart, Pennzoil. There's a Pennzoil attached to a Walmart. Not going to say where here, but I went there. They drained my oil, but they didn't have any oil filters to replace my old one with. They couldn't change the windshield wiper blades because they didn't have the proper tools. They said I gotta go to the dealer. I haven't even tried to look at it myself. But anyway, so I have fresh oil in here. Looks like I've been 1,000 K on it now because I drive so much. I'm gonna go to a real oil change place. I pay people to do the oil changes because it's a company car. It's not a personal car. It just makes sense to do it this way. Yeah, so I'm gonna head into town now. It's technically a holiday, so I won't be surprised if they're closed. If they're open, golden. Alright, talk to you guys later. Not that busy today in town. A wee bit surprised, actually. Alright, here she comes. The boys are saying here. Oh, open sign is on, which is always good. Cars in the bays. And pull around back and see if we can get this bad boy in. Looks like we're getting in next. I come here, there's a couple guys that are really good here. I don't know any of them by name, but when I see them in here, it makes me happy. So I'm coming up next after this Chrysler Cirrus, Sebring, whatever the hell those things are called. They say they got my filter in stock. Let's see what happens again. Time is now 1:46. Let's really see if this is a quick lube. 1:46. Thank you. Well, Jesus, my voice. Well, I was a little unfair. I asked them to change the gearbox oil as well. They tried to change wiper blades. They can't do it either. Everyone says it's a Volkswagen thing. Like I got to take it to the dealer. I can't see that myself. I'll take a look at it in the barn at one point when I have a chance. Yeah, so it took just under an hour. It took about 45 minutes to do the oil change and the gearbox oil. But the price was $208. $208 for synthetic oil change and gearbox oil, which is 75, 90, 80, 90 weight. Nothing special, just standard gear oil. But they did a good job. They always do. At least they remember to screw the oil filter back in and all that kind of stuff. The oil drain plug, sorry, back in and all that kind of stuff. So anyways, that's it. I'm going to go post a video finally. Ciao.